We packed water, food, hats, and a first aid kit.
I'm bringing my notebook. I want to write down everything we see. That's a great idea.
All right, team, let's head out. Welcome, explorers. My name is David, and I'll be your guide today.
Will we see any wild animals?
Maybe. But remember, we only watch them from a safe distance.
Are there any dangerous animals?
Most animals are more afraid of us than we are of them.
See, Luca, there's nothing to worry about. I'll try my best.
Today's challenge is to find 3 forest signs.
What are they?
Red eyes, tiny lights, and a long green feather.
Red eyes? That sounds scary. Don't worry, we'll be safe.
Not everything that looks strange is dangerous. Let's find out what these clues mean.
Look, I found some footprints.
Good job. Those belong to a small forest animal.
Whoa, that scared me.
Take a deep breath. Not every loud sound means danger.
You're doing great, Luca. I'm starting to calm down. Wait, I see red eyes.
Excellent work.
What is it?
It's a red-eyed tree frog.
It's smaller than I expected.
Sometimes things look scary until we learn more about them. Great job, everyone. Let's take a short break.
I'm glad. I'm getting hungry.
Let's sit under this big tree.
My sandwich smells really good. Mine too.
Remember, keep your food close and don't leave anything on the ground.
Why?
Because some forest animals may come and check it out.
I hope they don't take my lunch. Look, monkeys! They're coming closer.
Stay calm, everyone.
I think they want my sandwich.
Don't wave your food around.
And don't run.
Stay with us for next part.
Subscribe to English Speak Up for daily lessons. Like and share to support our community.